Hey guys, it's me, Chris Haskins, one more time. We're on day 28 of this renovation, and I didn't count the weekends. So we're finally putting in the carpet, and the kitchen, as you can see, is just about done. I'm gonna walk you through it. The carpet guys are here right now. You can see the kitchen looking good. Carpet's in. This used to be the old living room. Foyer's there. Bathroom's almost done. The granite here, we drilled the holes in here so you can put your fixture there. Under the countertop sink is attached under there. Makes it real sexy. Can't see it there. Tubs not quite in yet. As you see, we're just about done. Here's your living room now. You got your swirl ceilings. Hey Terry, what you doing in here, buddy?
Right now, making a seam. The room is over 12 feet wide. The carpet comes 12 feet wide. So when the room is over 12 feet wide, we have to make a seam. But when it's done, it looks like one piece.
Okay.
So when we get it put together, we're going to stretch it, and then the job will be complete.
What you got there?
So here's a seaming iron. We have a seam tape underneath.
Okay.
Melt the glue on the tape. Move it along. Got the glue melted real well. Then you carefully put the edges together without burying any of the nap. And then you put the seam weight on top of it so the glue is forced into the back of the carpet. And when you're done, it looks like one carpet.
That's good. This is the master suite with the closet here. We got your shoe racks, shoe shelves. Oh, I can't get in the bathroom yet. We'll show you the bathroom tomorrow. We'll be day 29 on this project. All right, guys. Chris Haskins, the Real Estate Roundup. Thanks for watching. Peace.